Hello guys, you're welcome once again on this platform, and in this video you're going to learn how to download Signal app. So if you are trying to download Signal app and it says it's not really working in your country or in your region, this is how to fix it. So first of all, you have to go to your phone menu, then you go to Google Chrome. So when you tap on the Google Chrome, just wait for it to load. You can use any browser that you have on your phone. So just tap on the search bar and search for Signal. So Signal app. Then after that, you tap on the search or enter. So after that, you're going to see Signal Private Messenger. Then you tap on it, and it's going to send you direct to Google Play Store. So when you come over here, what you have to do is to tap on install. So tap on the install button over here. Tap on this, install in blue. Tap over here. So when you tap on it, you're going to see that it's going to be on pending. So as you can see, it's on pending, and this is it. And over here, as you can see, it's really downloading. So it have moved from pending to downloading. So guys, so this is how to download it. So you have to wait. It's going to load from 66% right now, as you can see, to 100%. So when it gets to 100%, that's where it's going to complete everything. So 100% of 40.28 megabytes. So as you can see right now, it is installing. So as you can see, it's installing right now. So what you have to do is to wait for it to install. So as you can see, it's loading over here, and it shows that it is installing. So just have a look at this, and as you can see, this place is not clickable, and also this place is also not clickable. So you have to wait. After that, after installing, it's going to be clickable for you to open, or it's going to be on install and open, not cancel and open. No, it's going to be on install and open. So guys, let's wait. So boom, as you can see, we have uninstall and open. So Signal Private Messenger, this is how to download it. So after downloading it, just you can tap on open to open it. So as you can see, this is how it really works. So you tap on continue, then you can see you add your number. It works like WhatsApp, you get me? So I'll also be telling you some story about Signal, the developers, in my next video. So this is Signal. So this is Signal. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next one. Don't forget to tap on the subscribe button, like also, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platform. Thanks very much. Thanks, because I appreciate what you guys are doing for me, watching my video, and I know you guys are going to subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next one.